Hello, I'm explaining how to collect and then create some Desmos, some games, math games for students. First go and search for teachers Desmos, teacher.desmos, and you can try it for free and sign in. I already signed in, and here I am on collections. Go to collections, home collection, and create new collection, and I call this grade 10, my name, and create a new collection. And then go home, and then from here I go to amplify, and you can search for example linear system, and then you can explore the games. For example, this one, and you can explore it and then add it to your folder grade 10. And then if you go to preview, you can play this. This is 21 page, and see whether you like this or not. I want to add another activity. For example, system, solution to system. This one, I'm going to add this to my collection. Click on here and add to collection. I'm adding to my grade 10. Now when you go to collections, this one, you see this activity is in here too. Let's go to collection again one more time. Here I have I collected 2 games, and this one I show you, it was like in preview. You can see it's 21 pages. Maybe it's too long. I want to edit that. I want to cut, or you can copy and edit. Press on this 3 dot, copy and edit, and here you have the option of, for example, delete any of these activities that you want. So after copy and edit, you can decide which one you delete. You don't want, I don't want this one. Yes, delete the screen. This one I don't want. I want this question. When you finish editing, you can publish it. And copy of the final linear equation, and now I am adding this to my collection. And then you can assign to your classes single session code, or even getting single session code so a student can play one, or assign to your class. After assigning to your class, you can select your class and assign it, and it's going to sit in your class and as a draft, like here, assign to your class, post as a draft in Google Classroom, and the students can play. In next video I teach you how you can monitor a student, and then how you can create your own games. Good luck.